So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create arrays, which are repetitions of a 3D object along a particular path. In this specific example, I'm going to create a repetition of 5 pillars, each of those being equidistant along this red line. So step 1, I'm going to create a pillar from the origin. It doesn't really matter how high or how wide it is. I'm then going to select the arrow tool. I'm going to highlight my 3D object. I'm then going to select the move tool. I'm going to move over my object that I'd like to move. I'm going to press the Option key once. A plus sign will appear next to my cursor. I'm going to press and hold and move this copy of a pillar whatever distance I want it to be from the original. Let's say here. Let go, and then I'm going to type in how many times I want it to repeat. That's 5 times, so I'm going to type in X, 5. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, 5 plus 1, including the one that I repeated all of these from. So there's my array of pillars all along the red line. So there's a second type of array you can create, and the other type is where you move the copy of your object a particular distance and then say how many of those objects you want in between those 2 points. So let's go ahead and do that, learn by doing. So I'm going to highlight my first object here that I want to repeat. This time I'm going to right click on it and say make a group. What that allows me to do is click on any point on the object and then the whole gets selected like so. I'm then going to orbit to this position where I'm parallel to the green axis. What I'm then going to do is, with this object still highlighted, I'm going to select the move tool. I'm going to press Option so a plus sign appears next to my object. I'm then going to click and hold and move this along the green axis a particular distance. I'm then going to let go, and then I'm going to indicate how many objects I want in between those 2 points, including the one that I've moved. So let's say I want there to be 2 in between those 2 points, 2 pillars. So I'm going to type in divide 3, enter, and you'll see that I have 2 extra pillars which have appeared.